Hello, my students. This is P. Venkateshwarlu. Welcome into the class of Venki Sir Physics. The finest and easiest way to learn the basics of physics. Myself, I am P. Venkateshwarlu. I completed MSc, B.Ed, integrated MSc in SV University and B.Ed in AUMNA University. So I have 9 years of experience. I worked in Olympiad, Techno schools and Narayana Chaitanya junior colleges, and presently I am working in CBSE school dealing with 10th plus 1 plus 2 along with NEET JEE. Why I started the basics of physics online course? From the 9 years of teaching experience, in each and every classes of 10th plus 1 plus 2, in that classes students are asked to me like, sir, we are missing the basics of physics, so we didn't learn the basics of physics, we miss the concepts of physics. Okay, so my teacher didn't say, so we are absent, like that. Okay, so that is the main reason I started this course. This online course is useful for the students from the 6th class onwards to 12th class onwards. Without physics basic, you can't crack any competitive exam based on the 10th class and other competitive exams like NEET JEE. See, it is impossible to crack the NEET JEE without physics basics. Okay, so after completion of 10th, you are joining junior inter with along NEET JEE. So they won't say, they will not explain basics. Okay, so they are started the content which is in plus 1 plus 2 junior inter senior inter. Okay, so there is no time to teach the basics of physics. Okay, those who are studies in plus 1 plus 2 junior inter senior inter. So because of there is no time. Okay, so this is the time you learn, this is the time you will learn the basics of physics, my dear children. Books used in this course, which books we can use in this course? Okay, see, my dear children, so we are using the books Foundation of Science Physics class 9 and class 10th. Okay, Foundation of Science class 9th, class 10th. Foundation of Science Physics class 9th and class 10th books by H.C. Verma. H.C. Verma Foundation of Science by Physics 9th and 10th classes, which are accepted all India wide, okay, throughout the India, which are basics. Why we need to use these books? Why we need to use these books? Okay, so these books written by H.C. Verma, means H.C. Harichandra Verma. H.C. Verma, Harichandra Verma, wonderful author. Okay, wonderful author, and he also written the concepts of physics, volume 1, volume 2. Okay, these books are very, very useful for cracking the JEE exam. Internationally accepted JEE mains and advanced book written by H.C. Verma. So that's why we need to choose H.C. Verma. That's why we need to use H.C. Verma Foundation books. So if we learn the basics of physics, easily you will understand the concepts of physics which are in 10th plus 1 plus 2 and JEE NEET. The content we need to discuss in this course from the books of Foundation of Science Physics class 9th and 10th. Ninth class. In ninth class, first chapter measurements, second chapter describing motion, third chapter force and acceleration, fifth chapter work, energy and power, sixth chapter sound. Coming to Foundation of Science Physics class 10 by H.C. Verma. First chapter reflection of light, second chapter refraction of light, third chapter dispersion and scattering of light, fourth chapter electricity, fifth chapter magnetic effects of electric current, sixth chapter sources of energy. So these are the content we need to discuss in this course. Okay, so we need to explain. I will explain every content in this book, every content with the examples, and each and every exercises we need to complete each and every exercise, like numerical, objective, descriptive type. All questions I will explain, my children. Next class onwards we'll discuss about measurement chapter. Thank you, my children, for watching the class of Venki Sir Physics.